Adventure Force Hypershot. It is a 1-bullet gun that has these type of bullets and 2 holes to carry the bullets. There's a pullback and it has a recoil motion with this, so this can move back. Now let's start opening. So first I'm gonna cut the top so I can release most of the gun. Then I'm gonna cut the bottom. So this is what the gun looks like up close. So this can move back. So when I push the trigger, this moves back. So, and then now let's open some of the bullets. So these are Adventure Force bullets which have this hard gray part on top and then a green part. And I know I'll probably end up damaging this, but it's pretty hard to open some of these anyway, so it's okay. Who cares? If you watch the other video that we have on the channel, you know that we have other bullets. But we'll probably update and add a new video with these type of bullets because we don't have any like this. So it's much different. So yeah. So if this video can get, I don't know, 50 views, we'll make another video about a review of this gun and the bullets. And so it's very hard to open these, but then they come in with a package like this, which is easier to open. And then I can just open this up. Never mind, I'm gonna have to cut it. Then open it. Right? So there is ooh, I poked a hole in this. There's 8 bullets. And then 1 bullet can go into here. And then the best part is 1 and 2. So now, and then if I pull it back, you saw that recoil? And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. If we can get to 20 subscribers, we'll put in a very long video of an unboxing or a review of something that's really expensive. Anywho, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share.